Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the website is offline error, connection timed out, error 522. And you might be getting this on any various web browser. It doesn't have to be Google Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer. So I just want to make a brief video tutorial if any of you guys were looking this up. So I have found that there are other tutorials out there that seem to be giving the false impression that you can easily fix this problem by using another web browser. And I just wanted to dispel this rumor and honestly misinformation about this error. This error does not affect your computer. It doesn't affect your channel. It affects the host network for that website. You cannot control if that website is offline or not. You're more than welcome to go try another website to try and work around it. But if the connection has timed out because of the host servers being down, that is out of your control and you cannot fix that. So the best thing I would do, especially if it's a popular website, is just to go back on in 30 minutes, an hour or so, and see if you can get back on there. You typically will not experience this error if you go to multiple websites. That'd be very strange. This is usually a site-by-site basis. So like I said, try another web browser. If that does not work for you, I would recommend just going back on your computer and trying to get on that website again in a little bit. Just give it some time to get the server back up and running. And that's pretty much all I can say for this tutorial, guys. So it really wasn't much to show, but I do hope I helped some of you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.